Hi. Thanks for the likes on the truck swept away video. If you thought maybe I sounded a little too angry, go fuck yourself. That guy's dead now.
They don't
If you
even
ever
know.
think they recovered his body,
Yeah, they recovered his body, but they don't know how many people were actually in the pickup truck.
they don't
when
even
it
know
got
how many
swept
people.
away.
It was one
And
guy.
one body
It
got
was one
recovered.
guy. I know it was one guy. You don't know why I know it was one guy? Same reason I know all the other shit that I know, because I fucking know, don't I? And it's about time people started listening to me. Because when they don't listen to me, they suffer the fucking consequences. I don't like this any more than you. It's just the way it is. And things haven't even begun to get bad.